How you guys doing? I'm Evantz Saint-Gerard, your real estate agent. We just did a couple of videos with our favorite attorney, Vlad Portnoy, and this part of the series is called Getting to Know Our Professionals. So I'm going to ask him a series of questions that he has no clue that I'm going to ask him. Um, Vlad, we want the people to understand who you are, what you do, and everything like that. So first of all, what do you do for a living?
I am an attorney, licensed in New York and New Jersey, and I do estate planning.
How long you been doing it?
Whew. I've been in legal industry since 1996. I haven't done anything outside the legal industry. I've been a lawyer for almost 20 years. First five, I was a corporate attorney, and I had a completely different life. But since October of 2009, I've been on my own. I've been doing estates, and I've opened my hung the shingle and opened my own firm October 1st, 2009, and never looked back ever since.
Obviously, outside of work, what's your favorite thing to do?
I love to travel. I love to see other places, other cultures. I love meeting new people, just even random encounters at bars and airports. Just love the conversations. And I also love to work out, even though I haven't gotten to do it lately. But if I could, I would absolutely dedicate an hour to a day.
You said you like to travel. What's your favorite place that you've been to so far that you're like, you know what? I have to tell everybody you got to check this place out.
Well, I've always been a fan of London before I went to London, and I spent the summer in London, and that's an amazing place. Just UK in general is amazing. But I'm going to include. I've also gone to Edinburgh, Scotland, and I where Loch Ness is, like the Loch Ness monster. I didn't get to see the monster, but what did get to see was probably one of the most peaceful places on earth that I've ever been to. It's a town. It's a city. It's a busy city, and it's amazing. It's like so. London obviously is a everybody knows, but Edinburgh, Scotland is something that I would love to tell everybody to visit. It's just like you find yourself, you find your inner peace.
Recording, it's about he's going to go to lunch after we start filming this. So, what's your favorite food for lunch right now? What are you hungry for right now?
You know what? Unfortunately, where I am, this is not available. I love Indian food. That's my all-time. Even though I'm Russian, Indian food is number one on my priority list. And I would love to find some here. I'm craving some curry, but probably gonna have a local place here that makes really awesome sandwiches. And I'm gonna just get something. I'm feeling whimsical.
Okay. All right. Favorite color?
It changes. It's good. It used to be black, then blue, and now it's kind of a green, I guess. Or it's my. If you look at my firm colors, it's green, very specific hunter green, very specific orange and white. It's because I went to Binghamton where the that green and that white were the colors, and then I went to University of Miami for law school where those three colors were, and it just became like I just adopted those colors. So that green is has always been one of my favorites. I'll probably stick with that hunter green.
Okay. All right. So, this is going to be my last question. This is going to be a two-piece. What's your favorite music when nobody's around, the kids, the wife, nobody's around, that you can play, that you can literally let your hair loose and just Vlad goes crazy and has a good time? What's their favorite song? Favorite song, favorite music?
Well, okay. I am an 80s baby, so I grew up on disco, but I progressed when I got here in the 90s. I really picked up EDM, so the classic trance would be my thing. I have two genres that I listen to. I don't listen to anything else. I love stand-up comedy, so and I love EDM. So my car is preset on SiriusXM. There's seven comedy channels, and they're all preset, and three EDMs. So rarely, usually when I'm in the car, I always listen to comedy. It's very philosophical. It's very smart, especially the better comedians. You pick up something and also brightens your mood. But yesterday I was at the party very late, and it was just like a Sunday night party. It was like for a close friend, and I was blasting EDM in my car. I was blasting some Armin van Buuren, A State of Trance. He is one of my
Wow.
favorites. Tiesto.
Wow. Okay.
I mean, but I remember when Oakenfold and Van Dyke were just starting. So we're going back to the roots. That's really my all time favorite.
You know I'm going to be playing a lot of this stuff they see. once we finish this, right?
Absolutely. Be
All
my
right.
guest.
So my extreme last question: Labor Day is next weekend. What are your plans? What are you looking forward to doing for Labor Day?
I am probably, well, the office is going to be closed on Monday, but I am probably going to work at least one of those days because I haven't sat down in for a second. And sometimes when I drive myself completely tired, then I take a day off, like a Saturday, which everybody's like, it's just a day off. I take a day off. Sundays, I usually work like half a day just to keep up because, the ownership of your own business, it's your baby you have to take.
And never stops.
It never stops. I will try to relax. I will try to maybe go for a walk, but it would be great to, push some iron around. I have some fantastic Bowflex dumbbells in my house. So love that. And that kind of zones you out. And then you can think about nothing during that time. Or listen to EDM. Really, put the headphones in and just
Do
go.
all at the same time. Do all at the same
Yep,
time.
all head banging.
All right, you know what? So I appreciate your time. You're gonna go get some lunch as soon as possible, and we'll see if we can send some Indian food your way. Questions you have about anything regarding estate planning or anything along those lines, feel free to give Mr. Vlad a call. Mr. Vlad, how can they reach you?
So our main number, we have a few online. All of those will lead you back into the number, but our main number is 212-920-6371, 212-920-6371, and our website is www.nywillsandestates.com. Both wills and estates are plural, ny like New York, nywillsandestates.com.
And I'm your host, Evantz Saint-Gerard, your real estate agent here in Queens, Brooklyn, Long Island, pretty much New York, downstate New York. And if you're looking to sell, we can help you with that. Whether the situation, whether you're selling because of short sale, you're selling because of not probation, but probate, you're getting a divorce and you're on probation with the wife, we can sell the house for whatever the situation is. I'm trying to make everything work right now. But anyway, whatever your situation is, we can help you. If we can't help you in this state and you're looking to go somewhere else, relocate to another state, give us a call. We can help you, point you in the right direction. We hope you got some value out of this, and the whole point of this video is to just get to know the professionals you might be working with. And I really seriously want to tell people, give Vlad a chance, have a conversation with him, see why so many people like to work with him and his team, and take it from there. We hope you got some value out of this, and if you have any questions about anything real estate related or estate planning, anything along those lines, give us a call. Talk to you guys later.